Hello guys, so I'm here again with another exciting video on data structures, and the aim of the today's video is that we have to extract the words from the file and form the list of that, and we have to sort them alphabetically. So let me tell you this briefly, and so the task of today is that we have to open the file romeo.txt and read it line by line, and for each line we have to split the line into a list of words using the command split method, and the program should build a list of words for each word on each line. Check to see if the word is already in the list, and if not, then we have to append it to the list. And when the program completes, then we have to sort and print the resulting words in alphabetical order. So after watching this video, you will be able to know the function of split, append and sort. So let's begin this video. As usual, we will ask the user about the name of the file, and we will store that in file name. So input name, and now our next step is that we have to open that file and store it in another variable that we have taken fh, and that's it. Now as we have to store the list of the words, so we will create a variable of type list, and list, this is the notation to create the list type variable. Now we will iterate through the loop and check each and every word in the file. So for creating the loop, now what we have to do, now we will read the file. So the command for reading the file is fh.read. As we have stored the file in fh variable, so we have applied fh.read. Now we have read the file, and in this line only I will split the file and apply the command split. So dot split. So here in this single line only we are performing three tasks. We are reading the file, we are splitting that file, and we are iterating through that file. Now we will check and give the if command. If word not in list, then we will append. The function of the append variable is that it adds an item to the end of the list. So we'll add an item. If that word is already stored in the list, then we will not store that word, and if it is not stored in the list, then we will append that word in the list. That will form the list with unique words. So that is it. Now we formed our list, and according to the program we have to sort out this list alphabetically, and the command for sorting the list is sort. So now it is sorted also, and now we will print the list and check the code whether it's right or not. Print list. Let's check the code. The name of the file is romeo.txt. Okay, txt. As you can see, we have separated out the words from the file, and our output is matched with the desired output. So the program is correct and we accomplished the task. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please subscribe and like it, and have a great day ahead. Thank you for watching this.
Savannah.